we are going to use relative strength index. I've used this strategy in the past and it works. It still works. We are going to go through it together. I'll show you how to set it up, and we'll even take a trade with $1,000 account size. Okay, so to do this, first thing is you go to CoinMarketCap, search for Solana. That's the coin you are going to trade. I always say that before you do something, try to understand what the thing is about. You don't just get up and start trading any token without knowing what it is. So Solana is an open source blockchain network that helps people create apps and develop interesting projects. So it's just like Bitcoin, but it's more advanced and it have tools for you to create your own projects on the blockchain. Right now, the current price of Solana is 172. If you check my profile, last week I said Solana was going down, Bitcoin was going down. Those who were in my community and those who have been following me have taken advantage of this. So if we want to really make money from Solana daily, you need to go to CoinMarketCap, search for Solana, right? Try to read everything about Solana. I'm not going to waste time because obviously you have already read about Solana and you know what it is. So don't go and be buying tokens without knowing what they are. Now, if we scroll down, we can see that Solana, they have social media platforms. Before you trade any token, always check to make sure whether they have a social media presence. Maybe at least they have 10,000 followers and above, and the followers are real and they are interactive. To cut and go straight to the point, now I'm on my page here on TradingView. So let me remove the relative index. So we remove this, then we go back to the home page of TradingView, right? So I'll cancel this and go to TradingView home page. Now when you come to TradingView, this is what you are going to see. It's very important you try to always have an account with TradingView, even if you are using your Google or Apple account, so that anything that you are doing will be saved on the system. So I'll click on the product section, select super chat. Now if you are using your smartphone, you can check my profile. I did a 20 minutes tutorial on how to use TradingView without having to use PC. So like I said, we'll remove this. Then the next thing that we are going to do is we'll search for Solana. So to search for Solana, just type in sol.p. Now when you type in sol.p, try to select where your trading account is. So I am using Binance Exchange. If you are using Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, you can use any of them. So I'll just select Binance, then I'll go below the 15 minutes time frame. Now try to always be taking this trade Monday to Friday, either 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT or 2:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. GMT. This is very important when it comes to trading. You don't want to take a trade and hold it for 5 hours because you are doing day trading. So once I select 15 minutes time frame, right? 15 minutes time frame, we are going to click on the indicators. Then I'll search for R. Just type in R. Then you select relative strength index, right? Okay, you select this. Now when you select this, double click on the zip line, right? Then you come to the input. On the input, change the 14 to 50. Now you just leave it at close. Come to the style. The first one, change it to green. Okay, and when you change it to green, we want the medium to be thick. Okay, so you bring it to this, then you can confirm. Second one, change it to red. Okay, then you can also change the medium to thick value, right? Then you click on confirm. Now we have two things. You see the time frame is in the 15 minutes time frame. So anytime the red one is below the green, you are going to buy. Okay, if the green is above the red, you are going to sell. Then you target 1:1 risk reward ratio, and in a day you only take 2 trades. So if you are trading Solana from Monday to Friday, this is the strategy. You are using 50 relative strength index, then you are trading it from Monday to Friday, right? Now when you do this, the next thing is I'll come to my trend lines, then I'll select horizontal line. Remember that anything that you are doing here is your personal opinion. Okay, it does not matter. Like this, then I'll click on forecasting and measurement tools, long position, because the red is now below the green. Then I'll come and put the entry here. Remember, we are targeting 1:1 risk-reward ratio, meaning if this trade goes well, we are getting the amount we are using back, okay, 2 times. So now I'll double click on the forecasting and measurement to add the account size, 5%, entry 175, average 20x. Then we will now go to our Binance, right? Then I'll click on the coin select sol.p, right? So we are trading Solana perpetual. When we say perpetual, you are simply trading the value of the underlying asset. It does not expire, meaning if the price of Solana is going up, your profit will also increase. If you predict that price of Solana is going to go down and it goes down, you make profit. Okay, so now when you select the coin, always make sure you select the coin. You now change this limit to market. Have you seen that we have this place called the order book? So the order book contains the buyers and sellers. I always say that you are not the only one trading. The same way you are in Australia or US or Dubai trying to make money. Maybe Askande is in Ghana or Singapore, or maybe he's another country. So at the end of the day, your strategy and risk management is very key. That's why I'm saying for this strategy, in a day you are only trading 2 times. 1:1 risk-reward ratio for 2 times. So this one, I'll change the leverage from 40x to 20x. Okay, do not go beyond 20x. Now when you click on, okay, let's reduce it again. It's more than that. Okay, 19x is okay. Then I'm going to drag this to 5%. Do not go beyond 5%. So 5% of the 1,000 is 50, right? You can see the cost. So this is the lot size. In Forex, they call it lot size. We call it margin. For crypto traders, we call it margin. Then I'll add my take profit and stop loss value. So here we are going to copy the price of take profit, which is 175.78, right? So we have 178, right? Stop loss, which is 172. Okay, so you just need to add the take profit and stop loss. Once you add it, you click on buy long. You see the trade will appear here. So from Monday to Friday, if you take a trade like this, just give it 1 to 4 hours. If the trade is able to hit your take profit, alhamdulillah. If it doesn't go well, you try another one. So this is the strategy I use for Solana. Like I said, here you just need to make sure that the RSI is, the red one is below the green. If the red one is below the green, you are going to be buying. If the red one is above the green, you are going to be selling. We have a community here in Dubai where we trade together. So if you are struggling to make money through Forex or crypto, you can check my profile. I have over 200 videos, and I usually take my students through one-on-one session, showing them the strategy that I use to trade and travel. Close the trade. So to close the trade, just click on the market section. When you click on the market section, you are going to close the trade. If you make profit, it's going to be added to your account balance. But if it doesn't go well too, you try again. Like I said, follow the instructions that I've just showed you. This is a perfect strategy for trading Solana daily. If you have any issues, leave it in the comment section.